một phiên bản Chevy Camaro Z28. Yep, let's do it. Wow. What year is this one?
1980.
Wow. You restore it?
Yep.
What done to it?
What's that?
What's done to it?
Everything. I took every bolt and everything.
And
it's got a 500 horse motor, overdrive transmission, Hotchkiss suspension.
yeah, why is it so loud? Like, how can you make it?
So I have a switch underneath the dash that opens the exhaust stuff.
You have what is do they call like cam? Do you have a cam on it?
Yep.
Oh,
yeah,
that's right.
Cam, aluminum heads, the whole gamut.
The reason why I filled your car because I have a Camaro too.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so those cutoffs, they're just a little thing with a slide in it that you put in your exhaust, so you hit a button and it opens the slide.
Oh,
up.
so the Z28 is got the biggest liter, right?
Yep.
7.0, right?
Yep.
Oh, you have a 7.0 liter?
No, this has got a, it would be, yeah, it'd be around a 7.0 actually.
Damn.
383 cubic inch.
Damn. Because I seen one 2014 7.0 and it's like 1300 horsepower, twin turbo.
Yeah.
Damn. Oh yeah.
This one's
I got that one too.
Nice.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
The owners is the best ever seen. He's just so nice. Everything I ask him, he replies. And he say everything done to the car with a big cam. 7.0 liters. It sounds insane. This thing is monster 1980. With the valves closed. As you can see, that's the valve switch right there on the left hand door.